Hi kiddos, this is Miss Stark with another video. This time we're going to be looking at subtracting integers INB. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to complete this sentence using these words here to fill in the blank. So my sentence goes to subtract integers, use integer addition, and the additive inverse of the subtractand, which is the second number in a subtraction problem. And I spelt that wrong even though it was right there in front of me. So my next thing is I'm going to look at the star and this little box here. So first things first, I'm going to move this up a little because I can barely read what these are saying. And I misspelled addition, it looks like. I don't know how that happened. Oh, that's how that happened. The box was too small. Whoops. If you ever have a problem, always remember to undo. Okay, now we're good. Add a line to change the sign. So we have these lines here, and we're going to use them to change the sign. So the first sign we're always going to change is this one. Make this into a plus sign. The next one is to change these, any negative to a positive, any positive to a negative. I need to adjust this line a little bit. This is not working out for me. So I'm going to change the color so it stands out a little more. I'm going to change it to a red. There we go. Okay, so now we do the same thing here. We have -3. Change this to a plus. Then add this minus sign, making it a little smaller. There we go. Okay, we have -5. Make this a plus sign. And then we change that negative to a positive. Okay, and it looks like I ran out of positive signs, so I'm going to copy and paste a couple. And there we go. And that's how you change a subtraction problem into an addition problem. You add the opposite. So here it's asking for this first column to be the addition problem, so similar to what we did up here, and the second one to be the work, similar to what we did last time. So my addition problem is going to be -6 plus 15. Because I changed this to a plus sign, change this to a plus sign, which is +15. So now I add like I would with adding integers. So my two signs are different, so I'm going to subtract. Let's see, 15 minus 6 is 9. And since my 15 is bigger than my 6, it's a +9. So my answer here would be 9. I do the same thing here. I have -3, my first number stays the same, plus -13. So what I did is I changed it to a plus sign. Then I changed the positive 13 to a -13, similar to what I did for this one and this one. So since they have the same sign, I add them. 3 plus 13 is 16. And since both numbers are negative, my answer is going to be -16. Okay, I do the same thing here. I keep -6, -6, change the plus sign, a minus sign to a plus sign. Then I change +9 to a -9. Now my signs are the same, so I just add them. 6 plus 9 is 15. Since both my numbers were negative, it is -15. Okay, now I have 5 minus 18. So my 5 stays the same. I change that minus sign to a plus. I change that positive 18 to a -18. I'm going to put parentheses just to separate the negative with the plus sign. The negative for -18 with the plus sign. And so my signs are different. I'm going to take my bigger number and put it first because I know what 15 minus 8 is. That is 13. And 18 is my bigger number, so that means it's going to be -13. And then you do the same for these last two. You change them into addition problems by changing the subtraction sign to an addition and the second number to the opposite. If it's negative, it's now positive. If it's positive, it's now negative. And then using the rules that we learned for adding integers to solve it. If you have any questions, let me know. I hope this video has helped, and I can't wait to see you next time. Bye!